Okay. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see you today. Today is Tuesday. Yeah.
Hi
7.
everyone, nice to see you all. Tuesday today, 7th of December. Right, so on my board here is the price for Bitcoin and ETH. So you see that it's red because in comparison to last Friday, the price has gone down, but it did not just go down. Look at the chart on my board here. This was how the price movement was over the weekend. You can see a sharp hairpin drop on Saturday. So I'll give the time to Richard to talk about it, right?
Yeah. Because I found the article is about that mean look like Bitcoin drop, and a lot of people have a fear because we see the fear and read and fear chart is so
Yeah,
to yeah, it's around 18%. 18% is quite low from last week, and Bitcoin dropped with from so many factor. And let's see the article I found today is uh, let me share to you the screen of the article. This oh Bitcoin, okay. Certainly, I see so many there are so many windows, so
yeah.
it's making
Take your time, no problem.
yeah. Okay, be prepared for the major drop. Is this article is come from some of the uh, from seeking alpha. Yeah, it says the price of Bitcoin may drop more, but what's the factor and why it's not go up? And we see the previous correction of the Bitcoin. We see uh, this information is a major Bitcoin crash, and
History of major Bitcoin crash.
yeah, let me okay, okay, yeah. We hear from the summer of 2011 from the chance multi-gods, and the price dropped from $21 to the lowest
Just $2.
$2.2. Yeah, just $2 Bitcoin. In the middle of 2013, it's dropped. Is the price range about 164 to $70. Yeah, the correction is dropped here. We see previously it dropped 89%, and on 2013 it dropped 57% within yeah, it's dropped 50%. And now what is now the now last year it dropped 90%, 50%, 49.8%. It's dropped from
Right.
10,000 to 5,000. Is and people they thinking it may drop on 2021. Uh, with my own viewing, it should not have a major drop because it's recently it's dropped on 2021,
Yeah.
7 months ago. Yeah, it's also have a major drop, and now this article shared to us is may drop more is uh, because the current situation. Let's say the current situation, the all-time highs of the Bitcoin now 68%, 68,000 uh, from the 5th of November, and now the price is around 50,000. Yeah, in this article, it's say about 42,000. Yeah, now the price increasing 50,000, but some of the bearish they say it could be around 40,000. Yeah, let's see, but some if we compare with some data from the history, uh, we uh, we we think that it's in my own opinion, it's still not drop more, but some of the bears they also prepare for the major drop, like the current situation. Yeah, we see a lot of the banking ban, something happened on 2013. Yeah, a lot of things, and now different situation because the banking not ban crypto, and more institutional investor they jump into the crypto more. That's why. But we still be others, we still prepare for the drop, prepare for the bubble like this, and we will find out more from the crypto one and some the other information to see if it's if uh, if it may happen, like the article say, crypto one, crypto one. And what do you think about the drop last week, Mr. Nicholas? How you feel?
All right.
Yeah,
Last week the drop, it was quite surprising in a sense. Suddenly, some of my friends who has been hoping for it to drop, like suddenly
yeah,
suddenly start texting and messaging and say, "Whoa, keep dropping further," you know. Yeah.
yeah,
So personally, what I feel is that this drop, um, each time there is a drop in this large margin,
yeah,
usually I would suspect that the whales are having some good time
yeah,
splashing splashing at one another, you know.
yeah,
Cause one possibly one of the few reason is that prior to this drop, there's been quite a number of information out there that's trying to push or hype the price up to 100,000 more, or even more than 100,000, which of course for us, as we do live stream in the last 2 months, I have been taking very conservative approach to that notion. Are trying to say, oh, it will go to 100,000, or it will go to even more than that, but we have been staying focused and conservative between 70 to 80 or even 75,000 range. Yeah, so that of course uh, in continuation from one of those articles that actually say, oh, you know, we will reach a support level, or there's certain average price of 60,000 by the end of November, but of course it didn't happen. So once you see that it didn't happen, it might ring a bell that perhaps it might just go down a little bit. But I did we of course nobody expects that the price will suddenly dip to 42,000 what, from 57. Yeah,
yeah,
the previous price. This
yeah,
is Friday price. So for Bitcoin, Friday price was 56. Uh, ETH was 4,005. Yeah,
yeah,
so with this sharp hairpin drop,
yeah,
uh, it's something that nobody expect. Let me push my. It's something that very few people would expect. But of course, if there are people who are actually expecting this to happen, it's probably the whales, because they have been playing around with all this for some time, and perhaps some special event happen within themselves, you know. Yeah, within themselves, probably not collectively but individually, you know. For example, if I'm one big whale and I suddenly at this point in time I feel that I need to do something in order to uh, 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 retain some of the earnings that I have, I just throw it out to the public. I hype it up and throw it out to the public, and see how it goes. Yeah, so when if the public is charged up enough and hyped up enough to buy the notion of the price going beyond 70,000 immediately or very soon, they will start to buy, and then the whales will start to splash again, you know. Yeah,
yeah,
so that would in turn uh, uh, cause the price to not move gradually up, but of course you'll find some speed bumps over there, which I feel that speed bumps are necessary, but sharp dip like this is unusual, you know.
Yeah, I would like to share to all of you about the on-chain on the crypto one. There are some information about the how's the activity, how's the activity of the crypto in the exchange, and how's and here this article we see how the Bitcoin push into the exchange and take out the exchange. We we see with this chart go up, it means the the Bitcoin to put into the exchange, and when the bars go down like this, it means the Bitcoin will bring out of the exchange, and we see in here with the when the price goes down, the people they they the whale they buy in and they take some of the exchange, some of the coins out of the exchange. We we see here with the day, with the hour, we see with the hour. Yeah, we see that this is also the signal to let us know that uh, this this drop is still the holder still keep the price, still keep the coin, not still want to sell all the crypto out. And here recently we see there's the hack from the BigMax, and we see the activity, the inflow and outflow from the BigMax is reduced. This is also one of the first news to make the price to dip down to 42%. And now we see the market is recover, and some of the activity from the exchange inflow and outflow is also normal. And let's see how's the miner. Sometimes we see the price go down because of the miner, they want to sell out their crypto and they want to take some profits to pay for their activity, the mining activity. And now we see all the miner position index and some of the reserve, they still keep the crypto, they still keep the coin. They don't sell out the coin now. Yeah. We see the fund data. Let's see the market data. There's some the market data. We see the comparison between the future. That means some of the order, the long and short order. When the price go up and down, it's must to clear and make the expire on the long and short order, and as we bring the profits for the exchange. And with that balance, it will help the markets more stable. That's why based on some during the market, the Bitcoin sometimes it go beyond the expectation of the major community, because sometimes the people they want to take profits. So really, that's why the markets need to go to the opposite way to make the balance. Yeah. If you want to go more detail, and we will see here the mining activity here, the hash rate, of the Bitcoin, the active address count. Now we see the address of the Bitcoin is also increasing. Yeah, increasing the fee. The fee is really low now. The fee for transfer total supply is increasing. Yeah, the block reward. Yeah, this data is okay, normal, and we see the exchange flow. And I also have a news, a good news about the Ethereum, because recently Buterin, he also submit the article about the endgame. What's detail of the articles about? This article is about how how is the block, and how is the centralized distribution and the decentralized distribution under the Ethereum network. Yeah, and then this is a cross-domain MEV opportunity discover. This it looks like if you have the USDT and WETH, you use the switch swap and go to the cross chains to ETH chains, and you will have this. Yeah, this one is show this shows some this shows how the e-flow, how the block, how is the chains working, and the Ethereum network and the cross-chain network with the other chains. Yeah, it's also let us know that here that means the network of Ethereum is increasing and updating to make the bring more profits not only for miner but also for the central exchange, decentralized exchange that can optimize the trader. They can that means they pay less of the gas fee, but they also have more choice, because if you use OpenSea and some of the Ethereum based exchange or the NFT marketplace, you will see the fee is really sometimes really high. It's bring the barrier for the people when they want to trade and when they want to buy something on the Ethereum network. Yeah, look like if I send you a CryptoKitty, you also feel, oh, I need a gas fee, and it's quite
Yeah. Yeah. It's painful to think of that when you want to send a crypto kit or anything. You think of a gas fee, you start to hesitate.
Yeah, that's right. But now the network is updating, and it's bring more profits, and it's bring more profits for the miner and the user, but let's get fees too. And now we back to the market. Uh, During when the price go down, we see another El Salvador call another Bitcoin dip with 150 BTC purchase. Yeah, he also keep buying Bitcoin.
That's a smart move.
Yeah.
Once there's a dip, they start buying.
Yeah, that's right. Because he want to make the country use Bitcoin and crypto. That's why he need to, if he have more and more crypto, so he can manage the crypto market in his country. Yeah, that is a move from one of the country that accept crypto. Okay, and we go back to some of the news some of the news today, because during the bearish market, when the market is less of people talking, sharing or suing Bitcoin crypto, and we also see some of the activity like OpenSea hire a new CFO and is planning for the IPO. Yeah, this is a good news for OpenSea. OpenSea is one of the NFT marketplace, the biggest NFT marketplace nowadays. Yeah, and we see this on-chain, this Bitcoin, and this is crypto. Yeah, this is the latest Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin the latest news today? Let me see the latest news today. The latest news on Bitcoin is Bitcoin future ETF under performance spotting 2028. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
still,
Now suddenly you talk about this ETF.
yeah.
Suddenly have the thought. There are so quite a number of Bitcoin ETF out there in the Western market. So I'm just wondering, this hairpin dip for the Bitcoin price, just wondering how it could have affected the movement of the price over there. Yeah, so because it happens on a weekend, so probably a lot of investors or even the fund managers, they probably are caught unexpected, or perhaps they may have something to do with this something to do and contribute to this happen dip as well.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Okay, wait, you wait for me. I have some tool, and I will try to apply this tool during the live stream, and we will listen on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I'm back to. Let me see. Okay. Just now you shared to me about the Bitcoin ETF is will affect the price. Yeah. Sometimes it's also have a little bit that can affect the price of Bitcoins and all the crypto because if we see if we see on chain on the crypto one, it's the data show everything to us to let us know
Yeah.
that uh, where's the sometimes I need to control the okay uh, yeah, and then we see the market during the market indicator we here's the long term, short term holder as adjust spend output. We this data is the data is shared to us to let us know more about I don't know certainly I don't know where to find estimates leverage ratio stablecoin supply. Okay, step by step, we will see the stablecoin supply ratio. We see when the price go up or down. The people that we use the stablecoin. Some of the trader they will jump into the stablecoin, jump in and jump out, and we see that this the green one is BTC stablecoin supply. Now the supply ratio is 11 point with the price BTC 50,500 and the rate one is the price of the BTC the price of BTC and I see is similar chart description the ratio of BTC market is relative aggressive market cap up on stablecoin. Yeah, it's a ratio is between the Bitcoin and the U and all the stablecoin like the
Yeah.
USD and
All right.
USDC.
So this is the supply ratio between
Yeah,
BTC and all of the other stable coins out there, is it?
yeah, that's right. That's
Right.
why it's look like we did not see any more no more any
So
USDT sprinkled
which
out.
line is which one? The darker line is BTC.
The you can see
The blue line is BTC or what?
the blue line is BTC and the red
The
line is
gray
price of
line is stable coin,
USDT.
right?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. This here, in my own opinion, I see this one is BTC. This one the red line is BTC price and the blue line is the 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 ratio, the SSR of the that means this this green this blue line is the supply of the stable coin. Now we see the supply of the stable coin is still lower, low, line is go sideways. Yeah, go sideways mean what we see we see this is mean uh, the stable coin is now less in the market. You know why? Because when you see the stable coin here on the January 21, they bump in the stablecoin in to bump up the Bitcoin price. And now with this one, if this one not up, it means with the stablecoin is the ratio is only 11.3, and we
11,
we see
11 stablecoin to 3 BTC.
no, it's it's supply ratio.
Supply
It,
ratio, right?
yeah, yeah, because if you compare with the beginning of this year, the supply ratio SSR is around 34.4, and now it's only 11 point. Yeah, and the price cannot go up. If the supply ratio is go up, it means the government bring more and more crypto, bring more and more money fiat. So it will
Mm.
jump into jump into the stable coin, bump
Yeah,
into the
because
stable coin, and
people
the
have
price will
more
up.
fiat.
Yeah,
They use it to buy stablecoin.
yeah. That's why when we see this is low, and we see OnChain estimate leverage ratio. The leverage ratio, this look like similar with the this one with the ratio of the leverage, the ratio of the leverage when you try to long and short and do and manipulate the market. Yeah, these are some of the data of the on-chain we will discover, and we discuss more in when we have more time in the next or the other live stream, and we will spend the whole time for this, and we will time by time go to each data, and we will see
Yeah,
based
I
on
think it is important that
yeah.
for listeners that they are able to look at this graph, these charts,
Yeah,
and determine how the market situation would be for them. Yeah,
yeah. That's why this one we need to see more, read more data, read more thing, and we can estimate more. Look, not only in Bitcoin, but also we have the Ethereum chains, like the markets of Ethereum. We will see how much Bitcoin or Ethereum put into their chains, and after that how much is withdraw to the private wallet, and we can estimate, how's the activity of the wealth, and the some of the trader, they just follow with this, and they give their own decision for trading. Yeah, and we see more, so many. There's some the other article, and I think uh, let me see the let me see some on the YouTube channel. Our audience out there, if you have any question, let us know, and we will read out uh, some information you share to me. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's also time for us to say goodbye to our audience, and during this bearish market, and I hope you all can stay safe and find a good look like find a good decision with your trading activity. And now I also give the word to Mr. Nicholas share.
yeah.
Yeah,
So in a bear market like this, as Richard has mentioned, hope everyone is able to find uh, they are your alternative coin to invest in. Yeah, so of course, when Bitcoin move down, up, there'll always be opportunities out there in the alternative coin market. Yeah, so of course, such a price movement like this is not common. So I'm pretty sure that the price will slowly get back onto the stable state, stable movement, a regular movement state, instead of moving sharp drop and sharp spike like that. Yeah. So what we have covered so far are informations that help us to understand the market, and hopefully our listeners, you do all your due diligence before you do any before you invest in any coins out in the market. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully the market will do better in the next few days.
Yeah, that's right.
So yeah. So thank you all for joining us. Do click like and subscribe button, and then share the video with your friends. Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. See you in our next live stream.
Bye bye.